and take a look at 2016 Express 3500. Chevrolet Express 3500 passenger and cargo vans do exactly what they are supposed to. Allow you to transport, haul, tow, and work like you need to. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power steering, tachometer, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.